Hey, let me show you how you can use Camera Pro Mode in the Xiaomi 17T Pro. So first of all, what is really important when you click on any of this parameter, most of them you can adjust automatically, but also manually. This parameter, this is the exposure compensation, we can only adjust manually from +4 to -4. We can reset by clicking here. There we go. When you go for a shutter speed, as you can see, this is the parameter that we can adjust manually up to the 30 seconds, but also we can do this automatically. With the ISO level, that's actually the same. We can set ISO for 6400 from 50. The white balance we can set from 2000 to 8000 and the automatically. And here we can find a focus range. So how close or how way will your phone catch focus on some specific objects, or can just get automatic focus. And by clicking here, what you can find some simple photographic styles. So you can set contrast, cold, warm, saturation, sharpness, just like you want, and it will be saved just over here. Now we can also reset these parameters if you want and take a look. By clicking here, we can also find some filters. So if you don't like how the photo looks, you can quickly change its view, color, the color temperature, and the brightness. And you can also change the strength of each filter by using this slider. In the right upper corner, we can enable styles like Leica Vibrant, Leica Authentic. We can take RAW photos. We can also take a 50 megapixel photos. We can use flashlight. Here we can find the histogram. And by clicking here, you can find auto exposure settings, 3 options, the matrix metering, timed burst, there's also option for this, and there's also option for the watermark. And when you swipe like this, you can find some other modes. And this is basically just few simple tips how you can use this mode. And by clicking here, we can also find some presets of the parameter, like for example the slow shutter, quick snap, documentary. And by clicking on the plus, you can create your own. You can import presets. By clicking here, you can view all of them in this bar view. And by clicking here, we can just simply turn into the video Pro Mode, which is also a very important thing.